Ready to ditch the old, boring resume and create an online CV that wows potential employers? First, head over to Wix.com and in the search bar, type in Resume to find their professionally designed resume templates. Browse through the templates and choose one that best fits your personality and the industry you're targeting. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Once you've selected a template, the Wix editor opens now. Start replacing the placeholder text with your own information. Begin with your name, contact details, and a brief professional summary. Next, fill in your work experience. Starting with your most recent job, use action verbs to describe your responsibilities and accomplishments, quantifying them whenever possible. Don't forget to highlight your skills. Add a section showcasing your technical and soft skills, tailoring them to match the job descriptions you're applying for. Now comes the fun part, customizing the design. Play around with fonts, colors, and layouts to make your resume visually appealing and unique. Make sure it's easy to read and professionally presented. Wix automatically optimizes your resume for different devices, ensuring it looks great on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Once you're happy with your resume, hit the Publish button. You can use a free Wix domain or connect your own custom domain for a more professional look. Share your Wix Resume link on your LinkedIn profile, job applications, and email signatures, and get ready to impress recruiters with your awesome online CV.